All right, working on installing the filler neck and the guard for the back. Last I left off on the gas tank install, I had not installed this yet, so just a quick follow up on getting this in. For starters, I had purchased the aftermarket style clamps, but for some reason, the kit that I bought, these here, they just barely fit around here. I have to fold this tube in half to squeeze this on here because this won't open up anymore. And then once I get it on, I tried, I even used it with oil. I could not get this on here, or if I did, I couldn't slide this up. So I'm going to abandon these and just use what was originally on my car. It's not original to the car, but these have been on there for, I don't know, probably 30 years or so. So the tank was removed at one time or another. Anyway, so for starters, we're gonna install the rubber protector. Alright, then once you get it in, just kind of scooch it up a little bit so you can get on and work. And then we'll get this in at the bottom. So still has our clamps up. Alright, so when you if you're using these style here, make sure you rotate them so that your screw here is accessible from the direction behind the license plate. So you want to be able to access this way. So you want to make sure that those screws are facing out like that so you can get to it. You can put these down on the tank first. There's a bunch of different ways you can do it. You can either put this on first, but that's just the way I'm doing it. Put that on the tank. You get it on just a little bit and then move your clamps up. Alright, and then once you got that pushed all the way down the bottom of the tank, and then get your filler tube. Slide it in back here. Okay, this tricky part right here, this is where you try to get the filler neck to fit right on top of the top. All right, now you get that nice and snug, so you can reach in from the back, hold the tube, and then push here, and then just kind of slowly work it back and forth until it just kind of gets nice and snug. So this is nice and flat. And then down below, tighten up those clamps. Your clamps done. Now we want to get this bracket down. If you want, I'm doing a little bit of this that strip caulking. I'm going to shove a little bit in the holes. Just to get a little bit of seal when that screw tightens down. Alright, you got your 4 screws. Get those suckers in there. Get those tightened down. Right, now that's done. Alright, then we want to screw this one on here. And we got our 4 screws here. Yep, there we go. All right, one last thing is the guard. Hooks on. And screw. All right, there we go. Down inside, tank, that. And again, I did not use these aftermarket straps. They were a pain in the ass and I could not get them on. So there we go.